What's up, everybody? Brian here with Attention to Details in Chesterton. So the Rivians are rolling in. These are all three 2023 Rivians R1S SUVs. This one here, we are doing a full XPEL stealth wrap. Then we're doing a window tint, rims off, all kinds, fully protection inside out. So we've got this one on the go. Then we have another 2023 Rivian R1S that this one is being fully wrapped and protected in XPEL Ultimate Plus 10. Thicker film, even more protection, and we're doing window tints, customizing all with the black XPEL, all of the chrome accents around. It's all going to be blacked out. Tons of things going on with this vehicle. So on all these, we'll do before and afters too as we go along. And then we have another 2023 Rivian R1S, beautifully specced out. This one is complete. It's leaving this afternoon. We fully wrapped this whole vehicle in the XPEL Ultimate Plus Fusion with the built-in ceramic coating. Made in America, 10-year warranty, self-healing, come out phenomenal. On this one here, all we did was the outside, the whole vehicle wrapped in that, and again, it's leaving. And then we're working on a bunch of other more vehicles. And then over here, if you follow me, I'm gonna have to use my cheat sheet because this just come in. So this is a 2023 911 Carrera S in the rare paint to spec Python green. So absolutely stunning car. We've got the chalk leather inside, two-tone with the real leather stitch dash. Every option on this car the client had. Come out absolutely beautiful. Love the color. So what we're doing to this car is we're fully wrapping it in the Ultimate Plus Fusion with the built-in ceramic coating, protecting the full insides with coatings on carpets, leather, trim, rim off, ceramic coating, and the calipers the way they should be done, not just the faces. But stay tuned for the journey of this one as well, and we have several more vehicles coming in on the go, and I'm going to take you guys inside and show you what we got going on in here. All right, now we're inside here, and we have a 2023 Mercedes. I believe this is the E450. Jay and Kenny just got the full frontal on this done with the XPEL Ultimate Plus Fusion, and then it's going over to towards the end of the day for Jose to polish out the rest of the vehicle, and then we're doing the XPEL Fusion ceramic coating for your coating. No maintenance washes ever. Once a year, no maintenance washes. You're not charged here. So this come out beautiful. It's curing up. So like I said, we did the complete full frontal, wrapped edges, badges off. That's what we do here. And we do charge extra for that. Mirrors, A-pillars, and I do believe we did the door seal plates coming in and out of this one here. But this one will be finished probably tomorrow. And then over here we have the brand new 2023 Chev Trail Boss, I believe this is, Z71 with the Duramax diesel in it. So this is being a full frontal rocker kit. Jose tinted the windows this morning. Those come out with the XPEL XR Black 20%. And we're also doing the rear bumper and the rockers as well. Jose also installed the tonneau cover on this vehicle the other day. So these are some of the things that we do absolutely different. We got Magic Hand Jay here doing his magic. So when I say we don't charge extra and what makes us different from everybody else is all edges are wrapped at no extra cost. All badges are taken off and then reapplied when we're done, so you don't have any of the cutout. It's a more seamless look. This is a big black cover piece, like a scoop type thing. This is all removed. Most people just go up to the edge. We actually go underneath it, and then we'll be fully wrapping that as well. Doing the door seals on this. Yes, and this vehicle will be ready to go out in the next few days. So this is what we got going on right now. We have another new Z71 pickup truck coming in. We've got another Porsche coming in for a full wrap. 2014 911 Turbo, I believe it is. Got a 2023 Corvette, the new Corvette coming in for a full wrap. Anyway, a lot of things on the go, so we just wanted to show what's happening now. So as usual, love and happiness. Peace.